Today we're going to the Rochester air show. Well, we're not really going to the air show. We're going to my brother's house who lives right by the airport. The runway's on the other side of it. So we're going to just go sit in his driveway and see what we can see. I'll do a little bit of recording if it's worth it. And if it's a decent video, I'll post it. But, yeah, anyways.
Can I watch Grandma's phone?
Why?
Because I want to.
Wait till later.
Why? I don't want to wait till later.
Jesus, kids. But anyways, getting ready for,
Watch it for 5 minutes.
McKenna, I said no.
Well, you said wait till later.
No. N-O.
Later.
So yeah, it's August 9th. Broken Oar trip coming up next month. I think September 11th we leave. Going to Black Lake. So I'll get my Black Lake redemption. But we're also going to go, me and Josh are going to pick a day. We're going to go up there, probably hit up the St. Lawrence River for a day or so, see what happens. We only got 3 days to fish, so one of those days we got to pick. Jesus, these people. Anyways, that's coming up soon. We'll see if I can get some good airplane action today, and keep her tuned. Ready to see some airplane scanners?
Yeah.
It's just hard to see what you're doing. CRX. Yeah, this pisses me off. I don't know what the fuck happened.
Nobody's gonna see that though.
Yeah, but.
You got here. Let it go in.
Mama.
Come on, Marley.
Mamar, what are you doing, Mamar? Hey, you need to chill, honey. You need to chill. There he is. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Oh, there he is. He's over there. It's going straight up. Damn, dude, dive bombing.
Hit the ground that freaking fast.
Oh, you're dead. Here and the kid fucking walked. Like trash disposal. That's awesome.
Grandma, Marley was dust licking.
Oh, what the hell is that? It's a bigger plane. Oh, hell yeah. Just come.
I see up there.
Big old loop.
All six of them ain't been together.
Gnarly. Yeah, they're making a heart. They're making a heart.
Yep, that's a very risky maneuver. They lost a little bit of shine, huh? Smell it now. All right, so we'll separate it, Andy.
Oh, yeah, get the pad.
All right, so we'll separate it, Andy. They lost a little bit of shine, huh? It's awesome. Gonna make a heart.
Big old loop.
Landing gear's going down, that's it. Watch, your gear's gonna go down. Right there, see it?
Yep.